On the way home from work this morning, I had a headlight go out in the Mercedes. And call me crazy, but I just do not like to be driving blind. No, not that kind of blind. What's going on, everybody? Man, I am back with another how to do it yourself video. Yeah, we're gonna make a quick run to Advanced Auto Parts to grab that bulb, and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it, do it yourself. Do not pay Mercedes to change that bulb. If you do, shame on you. You ought to know better. That's easy, and that's what my job is to show you guys how to save money. Do it yourself. Yeah, is this Mercedes? Yeah, I need a price on a headlight bulb for a 2014 C250 low beam. I don't want the whole headlight. $280 to change a headlight bulb. Okay, all right, appreciate it. This is gonna be a fairly easy job compared to, y'all check out my video I did changing the side marker lamp out on a buddy's Ford Taurus, and you dang near have to take the whole bumper off or the wheel and tire and go up through the wheel well to access the light bulb. Man, it's a nightmare. So for the Mercedes, a whole lot easier, and this is just cake. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Hey, I need a headlight bulb for a Mercedes, a 2014 C250 model.
Okay, let's see here. Is that two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
I mean, what difference does it make if it's two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive? It's a headlight bulb.
Okay, so let's just slow down. Is that the four-cylinder turbo or the V6?
Oh God, just point me in the direction of the headlight bulbs. 32 bucks out the door. Can't beat it. That's a hell of a long way from 280. All right, guys, so the first step, what we're gonna do is pop the hood. Also, I've got a video on popping the hood. You think it's simple, but sometimes it's not. All right, so driver's side low beam headlight is out. All right, so what we're gonna do is replace the burned out unit. This right here. It's H7 Sylvania. That's what I'm going with. I'm gonna use one. I'm gonna keep the other one as a spare. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how we do this. Your low beam is right there. So we're gonna come around here from the inside. You see this cover right there? It's looks like a disc, and you're just gonna turn it and remove it. That's it right there. And that's a dust cover. It keeps dust and water out. You're gonna reach in there and basically just turn the bulb. All right, I'm gonna take my hand, feel right there. See, it just twists. There's your bulb. Okay, so what you wanna do is you just wanna push down on this little latch on the bulb on the side and work it back and forth. It's got two prongs, comes out. Now, like I said, putting the new bulb in, we don't want to touch that, so I'm going to put a glove on for that. Okay, so got my glove on. I'm going to be really careful. You can touch all this, you just don't want to touch the glass with your bare hands. So, and we're going to just put that right back in the way it came out. I mean, it's super simple, and there's only one way it can go. There you go. So now I'm gonna look through here to kind of help me line this up. All right, you can watch in behind the light refractor. See the bulb? As I'm just getting it centered. Once it's in, you just twist. All right, just clips right in. Now what we're gonna do, take our dust cover, just goes right over the hole back here. Okay, we're gonna let the hood down. All right, there we go. Yes. Job completed. That'd be $280.